trenches. I can tell, bro. Trust me.
You stupid muffin chewer.
See, he's gonna be toxic the way he's acting already. We're cooked. They need to fix it where you're laggy at first.
Round starting.
Jesus. 79 on 52. Beam the Husky. Oh my god, this white kid's so laggy. Dead.
Yo, bro, I have no ammo in anything.
I mean, I don't know where you're getting Brody from, bro.
Round.
Yeah, I'm recording right now, so. No, that's 200.
Yo, 95 on 1, but
200.
So what wow, you both are snipers.
Round starting.
200. 200. I'm cooking. And 5 kills.
Round starting.
8. 200. 200. Oh my god! I am insane! Well, said I did 200 to him, but.
Round starting.
200.
Well, look at this sniper, bro. You would've lost to use a different gun.
So I'm insane, Mo!
But that's